Presenting Ganesh Steel Handle Juicer. It is available in the color blue. This juicer is made up of high-quality plastic and stainless steel material. It does not require electricity and is very easy to clean as all the parts of juicer are detachable. The anti-drip system inside the juicer is made up of high-quality plastic material. In addition to that, the anti-skid base creates vacuum while in use and prevents it from moving back and forth. Furthermore, the handle of the juicer is made of prime quality and is easy to operate. The box contains a juicer with steel handle.
Hi guys, my name is Ume. My day never starts without a glass of juice, and so I got this Ganesh juicer. Here's a quick review for you guys. Made of food-grade plastic and stainless steel, this juicer operates without electricity. It's quite easy to use and at the same time has quite an authentic look. You just need to place the fruit in the container on the top, then just turn the handle and in no time you have the juice. The best part is all its parts can be easily detached and hence washed properly. The detachable handle is made of steel and is corrosion-free. Also, the base has an anti-skid feature which keeps it stationary while extracting juice. Ganesh juicer is quite strong and has an anti-drip system which prevents any leakage.
Presenting Rylan hand juicer machine for all fruits. The juicer is impact-resistant ABS plastic, that is BPA-free. All parts are detachable for thorough washing. Hand wash and towel dry suction base. Parts are top rack dishwasher safe. Suitable for daily activity and an overall great diet with this manual healthy juicer. It also juices vegetables and wheat grass. It is easy to store, pack, and carry for outings and picnics, portable, manual and extremely easy to use and clean. The box contains juicer with waste collector.